fuck you. My shift is done.
What is this meaning?
Dude, 6 o'clock. Shift is done. Can't touch me.
What is this nonsense? I'm fucking scared.
Oh, yeah, scary? I'll tell you what's scary. Minimum wage, ass wipe.
Dude, that's selfish, man. You know there were people back in the day that got paid way less than you.
Yeah, and dude, I totally feel for them, but, you know, I work at a horror attraction. I'm not even earning minimum wage. This is one of the most unstable jobs out there.
You think you got it hard? 30 fucking years I haven't had a cleanup. I look like a train wreck. I don't get paid a single penny for trying to rip your head off. Don't get me wrong, I'm giving the work experience, but trust me, you don't want to trust me. 6 o'clock or not, I'm gonna tear your face off and jump so far up your ass, you're gonna say expressions for what?
Ha! A computer's biggest weakness. Windows XP. Well, it's been fun, dudes. I'll see you tomorrow.